Hi, my classic queen. So I'm just back from Africa, and oh my God, what a journey! What a journey! It was amazing. It was amazing, and um, I've been receiving your messages sometime like, "Oh, Missy class, when are you coming back?" You guys, I'm back now, and being back, I just brought a new era with me, and I'm so excited. On this, when I say new era, it's like I went and I discovered a lot of new way of doing things. By staying there, I even trained myself on some style that I wanted to do, and I didn't really find the time to train myself. I did that, and I'm gonna be sharing everything on here. And what else? I Let me check my note. So I'm gonna be sure to say everything on here. So I saw like an amazing talent, the work, Africa. You can see the real talent about braids. And I capture some of them that I'm gonna be posting. So when I say this is a new era of C class, what I mean by saying that is like it means what I mean by saying that it means like by posting, we're not just gonna post hair anymore. You're gonna expect us to. You're gonna see different type of video like on Monday. Before we having like this post on Monday, that is Motivation Monday, pushing out some good vibe for the week. But now I'm gonna be doing it on video. I'm gonna set the tone myself for the week, and we're gonna be having customer tips, or customer education. That means we're gonna be explaining to you some terms so you can understand better. Not everybody know about praise like that. So I've been having customers that ask some question, and some customer that ask, "Oh, what you mean when you say this? What you mean when you say that?" So we're gonna be making sure to give all those explanation on this customer tip, and when you have your breakdown, how to take care of it, what to expect when you have some different shape, when you wanna. Those are all the examples that I'm giving right now. So you'll have like an idea on what we're gonna be doing now. So we're gonna be having CEO talks too, when I'm gonna give some tips for business beauty owners, and some braiding owner. And some tips for a new braiders that are coming, to help them be more confident. So we're gonna be having that, and we're gonna be having. Let me check my notes. We're gonna be having story time. That's my favorite part. Like when we're gonna share experiences that I went through while braiding. Yes, we're gonna be having those story time too. And yeah, globally, that's what this new era gonna be about. Okay, and overall, these pages, like all our platform, and I have a surprise for you too. Okay, we're gonna talk about that later. Okay, classic queens. What I'm trying to say before be distracted with this surprise, uh, all our platforms gonna be a new vibe, and I hope you guys gonna be posting me, boosting the pages so we can really give you the experience that I have in mind, and the experience that you know I know we're gonna be having. So yes, uh, one thing, yeah, in my notes, I make sure to put that now it's not gonna be just about hair. It's gonna be more of building skill, working on this empire that we started, right? So you guys don't forget, stay classy or become one. I cannot wait for this new era. I cannot wait for this new vibe that I'm bringing, like from all these